Find the values of k for which the roots are real and equal in the equations. Here given that roots are real and equal. That means discriminant of the given equation is 0. Comparing this equation 4x square minus 2 into k plus 1 into x plus k plus 1 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then here a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 2 into k plus 1 and c is equal to k plus 1. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substituting these values here, b square, that is minus 2 into k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a is 4 into c is k plus 1 is equal to 0. Simplify minus 2 square minus 2 whole square 4 k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. Here in these two 4 into k plus 1 is common. You can take that out. 4 into k plus 1. Write in bracket, left out, it is k plus 1 here minus 4 into k plus 1 has taken out, left out here 4 is equal to 0. 4 into k plus 1, k plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 4 into k plus 1 into k minus 3 is equal to 0, or we can write k plus 1 into k minus 3 is equal to 0 by 4, that is 0. So we write here k plus 1 is equal to 0 and k minus 3 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 1 and k is equal to 3. Here k has two values, 2 x square plus k whole into 2x plus k minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Solution, here we need to rearrange the given equation, that is x square, open the bracket here, k into 2x 2kx plus k into k square plus into minus minus k into 1k plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here k square minus k plus 2 whole thing is constant, that is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2k and c is equal to k square minus k plus 2. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square 2k whole square, b square is 2k whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is k square minus k plus 2 which is equal to 0. Simplify 2k whole square 4k square minus 4 into k square 4k square minus into minus plus 4 into k 4k minus into plus minus 4 into 2 8 is equal to 0. 4k square minus 4k square 0 plus 4k is equal to shifting minus 8 to RHS becomes plus 8. 4k is equal to 8, that is k is equal to 8 by 4, which is equal to 2. Value of k is 2. Please subscribe.